So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pour that brandy in here, and then we're gonna dive. Okay, here you go. Opa! Alright guys, welcome back to Interracial Review. Today we're gonna be doing what is called Saganaki. Saganaki is
flaming Greek cheese.
Flaming Greek cheese is Greek, so it's a delicacy. So it's pretty interesting. So here's the cheese.
It's kasseri cheese.
Kasseri cheese, as you can see here. And at the end, you fry it, flour it, right? It's that flour it, and then you put brandy and light it up. Okay. This is the most expensive brandy you will ever find in your life. Okay. All right, let's do it.
Who do you think you're fooling?
Go ahead. All right, so here we go. Yeah, so pretty much we discovered this cheese, or at least I discovered this cheese when we went to Chicago. What was the name of the restaurant that we went? Oli. We forgot what it is. I'm gonna put it right here.
I think it was called Greek Islands.
Greek Island, something like that. I'm gonna put it right here. Pictures of the time that we went there. Okay. So your cheese, you put the cheese with some flour until it's lightly golden in all sides, and then you flip it. Okay. Go ahead. All right. Now we're gonna pour right here brandy again. This is $100 bottle. Okay. Okay. Now what we're gonna do? We're gonna do the ending. You know, we're gonna go ahead and grab this. Right. This is an iron cast. Okay. Very heavy. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pour that brandy in here, and then we're gonna dive. Okay, here you go. Opa! Don't worry, don't worry. We're experts, okay?
We're not.
Then you put lemon, and that's it.
I'm out of lemon juice, but it's coming around. Swirl it around a little bit.
There we go. So let's go ahead and have a close-up here.
Oh, of my face, probably.
That is, what's the name of it?
Saganaki.
Saganaki, which is Greek cheese fried. Very amazing. Topped with some brandy, and then flame up. Okay. All right, guys. So this is pretty much Saganaki. This is our second one. I highly recommend it. It's beautiful. Let's go ahead and cut here. Delicious. Highly recommended. Saganaki with kasseri cheese. Okay, pretty good. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share. See you guys.